Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video on how Genic. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of creating an account of Pandora. If you're trying to listen to songs or podcasts through the platform of Pandora, in today's video, let me exactly show you how it is done. All you need to do is open up a web browser and search for pandora.com. You can also download the application of Pandora onto your phone and then follow the same process. Once you're inside of this platform, you'll be able to see two options, the login or the sign in option on the top right of the screen. If this is your first time, click on the sign up option on the top right. In this section, you'll need to add in your email address, your password, your date of birth, and your zip code, as well as select your gender, and then you'll need to click on the sign up button on the bottom. Once you fill in all of those information, as easy as that, your account of Pandora now has been successfully created. Using these platforms, you'll be able to browse through different songs, albums, or even podcasts that you like. You can start off by browsing through this section, or you can also search for particular keywords inside of the search bar so the related songs or albums start to appear. Now, this is the free version of Pandora. If you want, you can also subscribe or upgrade to a higher version. If you head over to the upgrade button on the top right, you can see there are two plans, the Pandora Plus and the Pandora Premium. These are all of the benefits that you get. The main benefit of a premium plan is, of course, the offline listening and creating and sharing a playlist. But if you just want to use Pandora for yourself and listen to some music, the free plan also works very well. So that's basically it for today's video. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.